of NOAA weather radio's warning alarm device and is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Butte, Glenn, Western Plymouth, and Eastern Trinity. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA weather radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. And is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Alpine, Amador, Butte, Calaveras, Colusa, El Dorado, Glen, Lake, Nevada, Placer, Western Plumas, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus, Sutter, Tehama, Tuolumne, Yolo, and Yuba. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA weather radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. The forecast for western Siskiyou County today.
Yay, another successful RWT. This time I was able to catch it because, as I said in my live stream, school at Chico has been suspended until the 26th because of the ongoing campfire. So, at least I was finally able to see these radios in action. Yep. There you have it. Thank you for watching.